Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture number 6 of the subject CAD CAM. This is Mr. Suyog Patil, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sharad Institute of Technology, College of Engineering, Hyderabad. Today in this lecture number 6, we are going to discuss the introduction to the CAM, that is Computer Aided Manufacturing. As we discussed in this previous lecture, that is manufacturing revolutions in the manufacturing industries or manufacturing processes. Okay, today in this lecture we are going to discuss the computer-aided manufacturing. Basically, this computer-aided manufacturing can be defined as the use of computer systems to plan, to manage, to control the operations of a manufacturing plant through either direct or indirect computer interface with the plant production resources. These computers are used while this planning, this controlling, this managing these various operations of this manufacturing processes. In this CAM, the use of these computers based software tools that assist the engineers and machinists in the manufacturing or in the prototyping product components. Okay. Basically, this CAM utilizes the part geometry defined by the CAD drawing. Okay. This again these drawings are produced by using these computer aided drafting software packages. This CAM also used to control the materials, to control these tool paths, then workstations that can be used in actual machining processes. There are various definitions of these CAMs. This computer-aided manufacturing is the use of software and computer-controlled machinery to automate a manufacturing processes also. Okay. Based on this definition, we need three components for a CAM system to function, and these three components are: first, software that tells a machine how to make a product by generating the tool paths. Okay, this is the use of this computer aided manufacturing softwares which helps to define this computer tool paths. Then second one, it is machinery that can turn raw material into the finished products. For example, computer numerical control machine, okay, which is used to convert this raw material into a finished product. Okay, this is the second part phase of this scam. Then in the third phase of this scam, it is the post processing that converts tool paths into a language that machines can understand. Okay, for example, we can say programming, the programming programs that needs or that machines can understand these programs. Okay, the programming languages, that is the post processing phase of this CAM. Also we can say this CAD features on the design of this product or part, and this CAD helps to define how it looks, product can looks, or how it functions. But this CAM focuses on the how to make it. This CAD focuses on the design and look and functions of these components, while this CAM focuses on the how to make it or manufacture it. In most of these CAM systems, this CAM system works on the similar way, or this programming of this CAM is divided into three phases. First one, we can say it is the geometry of the part is defined. In the first phase, we have to define this geometry of the component that we are going to manufacture with the help of various software packages, CAD software packages. Then in the second phase, we have to the tool or cutter path is generated. We have to define the tool or cutter path with the help of various numerical control programs and various machines. Then in the third phase, the program is post-processed to convert it into the formats that machines can understand. These are the various steps in this computer-aided manufacturing. Then here we can see this difference between this computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacture. Okay. In this computer-aided design CAD, as we seen, these computers are used from creating to this optimization of this components or products, new developed products. this creation of this data or drive using this computer softwares, then to produce these geometric models, graphic displays, analysis is there, and again optimize the components. Okay, all the comes under this CAD. And in case of this CAM is related with this manufacturing. Then again here in this CAM, the NC part programming or the machines that can understand this numerical control programming. Then again scheduling, the planning of these operations, manufacturing operations. Then inspection is there. Okay, in inspection also these computers are used. Then in costing, to reduce this cost, to reduce this cost, and by to produce this accurate components. Okay, in all these operations are controlled by computers in this computer aided manufacturing CAM. Now evolution of this CAM. Okay, in this, before discussing this evolution of the CAM, as we know, the roots of this CAD CAM trail back to the beginning of the civilization, when the engineers of the ancient civilizations such as Egyptians, then Greeks, Romans acknowledged the importance of this graphical communication. These engineers or these civilizations understood this importance of this graphical communication, and this evolution of this CAM starts from this phase. Then later on, this Leonardo da Vinci developed techniques such as cross-hatching and isometric views. Invention of this computer and xerography made possible this with this civilization. And this helps to visualize or to create some graphical views and to visualize this very easily. So this computers and xerography helps. Then early in the 1950s, shortly after the World War II, the need of the complex parts led to the invention of the numerical control that substituted the requirement for skilled human machine operators. In the development of these numerical control machines after World War II, this computer-aided manufacturing needs this kind of the machines, and these machines were developed in this early in the 1950s. At the same time, another invention, namely the digital computer. Digital computers are also developed in this phase. These assist the development and the numerical control and provided the means for the creation of the robots, automations, then computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing, also this flexible manufacturing system. While developing these technologies, this is happening in this phase. Then after this development of this CAM helps in the various activities of this manufacturing. The benefits, we will see here the benefits of this CAM. The application of this CAM in the production offers various advantages to a company to develop the capabilities by combining traditional economics of the scale with the economics of the scope, resulting in the desired flexibility and efficiency. This computer-aided manufacturing gives the very flexibility, and it is the very efficient method or efficient manufacturing technique. Okay, this technique helps to improve the efficiency of this manufacturing, then to get the accurate results or accuracy in the manufacturing, the good quality of the products, to manufacture good quality of the products. This helps. This also provides a greater supervision of the production, as the computers are used to plan to control these operations, manufacturing operations. It gives greater supervision. Then these computers helps to respond this very fast, or as per the customer's requirement or this market requirement, market demand, we can change very easily the drawings or the geometry. Also we can change this manufacturing operations, and we can very quickly respond to the market demand. Then greater flexibility is there. This CAM provides the greater flexibility in the manufacturing. The product variety, we can produce various products or variety of the products, variety of the operations by various operations. Also we can produce the same product or component. Then this CAM also helps while producing the small lot size products, small component or in less number of components. Then also it is distributed processing capability, and this CAM also helps reducing the waste of the manufacturing system. It also helps in reducing the manufacturing waste in the manufacturing industries. Then here we will see the technology related to the CAM. There are several technologies in this CAM, and we will see few of the technologies here. First of all, computer numerical control. This is the technology which is mostly used in the CAM. The computers are used to control this machine, or numerical controlling programs are provided to these machines. And these computer numerical control machines are nowadays used in the various industries. Then again, various CAM softwares are available. CAM software packages are also available in the markets that helps to plan to control these operations, to simulate these operations in the initial phase itself. Okay, this CAM software helps. Then nowadays in the industries, various robots are used. These robots are replaced the human beings and human works. Then similarly, flexible manufacturing system is there. This is the new technology developed in this CAD related to this CAM. Computer aided process planning is there. Enterprise resource planning. In this enterprise resource planning, the various resources are planned. In product lifecycle management, also this CAM helps. Then in product lifecycle costing, product lifecycle management, also this is the one technology related with the CAM. Then the factors affected to the development of this CAM. There are many factors that affects or that helps while developing this CAM. We will see few of the factors. The development and advancement in the CNCs, flexible manufacturing systems, FMS, and automation technologies, which helps developing this computer-aided manufacturing, this technology, CAM technology. This again, the development of this cost-effective and high-speed computer systems helps this when developing this computer-aided manufacturing technology. Also, in order to get this accurate results or accurate components and this very in less operating cost, to reduce this operating cost and reduce this waste, this computer aided manufacturing is required, and these cost effective and high speed computer systems are helped to develop this computer aided manufacturing technology. Then market challenges: high labor cost, global computation, buyer driven market, all these affects this development of this scam. These are the various basic requirements, and these can be overcome by this help of this computer aided manufacturing technology. So this development of this CAM is also affected by these factors. Then customer demands as well as product variety, better product quality, and low cost product. Okay, these are the demands of these customers. Okay, these can be fulfilled with the help of this computer aided manufacturing technology. Now we will see the application of this CAM. Basically, this computer aided manufacturing CAM is used in two phases in the manufacturing industry. In the manufacturing, first one it is manufacturing planning, and second one it is manufacturing control. In this manufacturing planning, these computers are used to plan, or the computer aided process planning is the technology is used. Computer assisted numerical controlling programs, computer numerical control machines are used here. Then this CAD/CAM assisted numerical part programming, then computer aided work standards, cost estimation, product and inventory planning, computer aided assembly line balancing. Also, these are the stages where these computers are used for manufacturing planning. And in the case of this process monitoring, the quality control, shop floor control, inventory control, then also just in time is one technique where these components are provided or supplied or manufactured when these are required. Then computer aided quality assurance is also there, computer aided inspection as well. Controlling all this, scheduling to this inspection, these computers are used in controlling operations of this manufacturing. So these are the applications of this computer aided manufacturing. Okay. Now in this lecture we discussed about this introduction to this computer aided manufacturing CAM, then the benefits of this CAM, the requirement of this CAM, how this computer aided manufacturing is developed, evolution in this computer aided manufacturing, and this application of this computer aided manufacturing. And in the next lecture, we will see this numerical control and computerized numerical control machines, their part programming and etc. Thank you. Thank you so much.